Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to crochet these cute little Christmas trees. It's very easy to make and perfect for beginners. Let's crochet together. To start, hold your yarn like this and make a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger to form a loop. Insert your hook under the loop. Yarn over, and pull up a loop. Chain 2. These chains are only for height. Now we're going to work 6 double crochets into the magic ring. Yarn over. Insert your hook into the magic ring. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Repeat this until you have 6 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pull the yarn tail to close the magic ring. This completes round 1 with 6 stitches. Start round 2 with 2 chains and turn your work. In this round, we will make double crochet increases. An increase means working 2 double crochets in the same stitch. 1. Now, work the second double crochet in the same stitch. This was our first double crochet increase. Work 1 increase in each stitch around. At the end of this round, you will have 12 double crochets. Chain 2 to start round 3 and turn your work. The sequence for this round is 1 double crochet and 1 increase in next stitch. Repeat this sequence 6 times around the round. You will finish round 3 with 18 stitches. For round 4, chain 2 and turn the work. The sequence for this round is 1 double crochet, 1 increase and then 1 double crochet again. 1 double crochet, Now, an increase in the next stitch. And 1 double crochet in next. Repeat this pattern 6 times around the round. At the end of round 4, you will have 24 stitches. Round 5, chain 2 and turn your work. Now we will crochet 3 double crochets and then 1 increase. 1, 2, 3. Now, an increase in the next stitch. Repeat this sequence 6 times around the round. You will finish round 5 with 30 stitches. For round 6, chain 2 to start. Work 2 double crochets. Make an increase. Then to more double crochets. Repeat around. You'll have 36 stitches at the end of the round. For the last row, chain 2 and turn your work. Work 5 double crochets, then an increase, and repeat this pattern 6 times to have 42 stitches at the end of the round. In the last stitch, change to white color. Turn the work. Chain 1, Make 1 single crochet in same stitch. Crochet over the tails to hide them. Chain 2. And slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 2 again. And slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this pattern to the end. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the next stitch. Use a yarn needle to weave in the tails and hide them under the stitches. Now that we've finished crocheting the tree body, it's time to shape it. Fold the piece into a triangle shape. And do the same with the remaining parts if needed. Flatten it gently to arrange the shape nicely. To keep it in place, you can use glue, or for extra strength, like I do, sew the edges together with a matching yarn and a needle. Now we're going to crochet the tree trunk. Join the brown yarn and chain 2 to start. Make 1 double crochet in same stitch. Make 4 more double crochets. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the same stitch. Now we're going to crochet the star. Start with a magic ring and chain 1. Work 10 single crochets. Pull the yarn to close the ring and join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 4. In the first chain from the hook, make a slip stitch. In the second chain, make a single crochet. In the third chain, make a half double crochet. Skip one stitch on the base, and join to the next stitch with a slip stitch. Continue until the star is complete. Chain 4. In the first chain from the hook, make a slip stitch. In the second chain, make a single crochet. In the third chain, make a half double crochet. Skip one stitch on the base, and join to the next stitch with a slip stitch. Attach the star to the top and decorate the tree with beads as desired. And this is the final result. This little Christmas tree is quick, easy, and so fun to make. Even a small decoration can completely change the look of the project. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and share it with someone who might like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.